A crank. No start condition in a vehicle occurs. When the engine turns over, the starter motor engages and the engine cranks, but does not ignite and run. Several potential causes for this issue include 1. Fuel issues. Empty fuel tank. Simply running out of fuel. Fuel pump failure. The pump may be faulty or not providing adequate pressure. Clogged fuel filter. This can restrict fuel flow to the engine. Fuel injector issues. Dirty or malfunctioning injectors can prevent proper fuel delivery. 2. Ignition system problems. Bad spark plugs. Worn or fouled plugs can prevent ignition. Ignition coil failure. Coils that are not functioning will not provide the necessary spark. Distributor issues. On older vehicles, a faulty distributor can disrupt the ignition timing. 3. Battery and electrical system. Weak or dead battery. Insufficient. Power can result in inadequate spark or fuel delivery. Faulty starter motor. If the starter is not engaging properly, it may not provide enough power to crank the engine. Corroded or loose. Connections. Poor electrical connections can disrupt power flow. 4. Engine control unit ECU problems. Faulty sensors. Issues with sensors like the crankshaft position sensor or camshaft position sensor can prevent the engine from starting. ECU malfunction. 8. Faulty engine control unit can interfere with engine management. 5. Mechanical issues. Timing belt, chain failure. If the timing is off, the engine may not start. Compression issues. Low compression in the cylinders can prevent the engine from running. 6. Security system issues. Immobilizer activation. If the vehicle's security system is activated, it may prevent the engine from starting. 7. Other causes. Bad ground connections. Poor grounding can lead to electrical issues. Fuses. Blown fuses related to the ignition or fuel system can cause a no-start condition. Diagnosing a crank no-start condition typically involves checking fuel pressure, spark, and any error codes from the vehicle's ECU using an OBD2 scanner.